what you see. It's the Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation Park of the Week.
This week, we'll be talking about the Oxbow Nature Study Area. Formed from a unique partnership between the City of Reno and Nevada Department of Wildlife, this urban refuge is a great place for bird and wildlife enthusiasts alike to take a riverside stroll, spot a variety of species, take a break by the pond, and to enjoy a slice of this riparian paradise in the middle of our bustling city. Just follow Dickerson Road west until it ends. To find out more about Oxbow Nature Study Area and other local parks, please visit our website at tmparksfoundation.org. Thanks!
Take a look around, explore what you see. It's the Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation Park of the Week.